Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Rosy Gold Bullet Vibrator. So let's get started. So this is the Rosy Gold Bullet Vibrator itself. As you can see, it's got a beautiful rosy gold colour. And it's a very compact size, so it's perfect for travelling around in and easy to take with you. You could even pop it in your handbag and no one will know. It's your favourite toy at hand. It comes equipped with 10 vibration settings that are really simple and easy to control with the button at the bottom just here. The material is smooth and soft, so it feels really comfortable during use. To turn on, press and hold down, and it's on. To change the settings, simply tap and choose your desired setting. To turn off, simply press and hold down, and it's now off. It's very simple and easy to recharge using the USB charging cable provided. The charging port is located at the very bottom of the toy. Simply pop the charger in like so, and it will charge quickly and easily for you. Now, when using this bullet vibrator, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and of course make sure to clean it after every use using a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth for good hygienic use. And that is the Rosy Gold Bullet Vibrator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.